short answer to the title of this video is yes. You can go ahead and leave now. I mean, all jokes aside, having a drawing tablet is pretty useful. I mean, it definitely helps me out. I'll admit there are some people out there that can create some pretty good stuff with just a mouse or, believe it or not, just a finger. But I think that owning a tablet like a Huion or a Wacom or something like that makes the creative process a whole lot easier. Owning a drawing tablet and using a pen just offers you a lot more control and just more dexterity. And with Christmas around the corner,
stop the cap.
you may want to go ahead and add a drawing tablet to your list for Santa. So why would you get a drawing tablet? What disciplines would owning a drawing tablet be beneficial? For those who aspire to create their own worlds, environments, and characters, or even create things like comics, novels, webcomics, then owning a drawing tablet will be pretty useful. It works perfectly for software like Photoshop, Krita, Clip Studio Paint, and a ton of other drawing programs. I'm learning digital illustration and character design myself, and I can tell you that owning one definitely helped my learning process be a lot more efficient. And who knows, you may not be into any of all that crap. You may be into, I don't know, graphic design. Well, if you have a drawing tablet, then you can make some illustrations and spice up your work. If you're trying to make like UIs for websites, if you're trying to make I don't know, little logos, Twitch emotes, or something, whatever you graphic designers do, drawing tablet will be pretty good for you. Now, I am no expert animator, but I've dabbled here and there, you know, and it seems to be a very painstaking and tedious process. You got so many different drawings you gotta do. You have to draw like frame by frame and stuff. It's pretty clear I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. Bruh. However, I do have a lot of animator friends, and they tell me that having a tablet is an extremely valuable asset. From what I've seen, in order to create some top quality and top-notch animation, it requires precision. Owning a spiffy drawing tablet can help you a ton when you're making your animations. I honestly can't imagine having to animate just using a mouse. That sounds terrible. A lot of your favorite YouTubers have drawing tablets and, like, you know, make animations and do drawings and stuff. Like Ross Draws, Jaden Animations, Young Don the Sauce God, and Enderman Arts, of course. Alright, you'll come around. Finally, if you plan to get into the world of 3D art, then having pen pressure sensitivity is essential, especially if you plan on working in programs like Blender and ZBrush. I mean, I'm not saying it's impossible to do with a mouse, but it's just pretty hard. Having some kind of drawing tablet helps you to sculpt a whole lot better. A lot of bigger artists that are like more experienced in this field than I am can attest to this as well. Like that guy, Blender Guru, or like whatever his name is, make a donut and Blender guy. And this is sort of like a little bonus. This part isn't really that important, but having a drawing tablet can be pretty convenient if you're someone that uses keyboard shortcuts a lot. And if you start getting better at, you know, drawing and stuff, then using keyboard shortcuts is a very good idea. Like, come here for a second. They have like, drawing tablets have like these little buttons. I don't know if I'm getting a good shot of that, but they have like little buttons on the side or something. Like that. Some drawing tablets have like buttons on the side that you can put certain keyboard shortcuts to, like Control Z. You're gonna be using that a lot. Your eraser, your brush, things like that. And it's pretty convenient for me, especially because I don't have to reach for my keyboard. I don't have to reach for my keyboard in order to do like a quick keyboard shortcut. I can just keep my hand on the tablet like the majority of the time, right? Can't see the tablet. I'm just messing with it right now. So if you're a person that really appreciates convenience, then having a drawing tablet can certainly help you in that aspect. So you might be wondering, which drawing tablet should I get? How do I set up a drawing tablet? Well, if you're looking into getting a drawing tablet, I have a review of the Huion Canvas Pro 16, and you can just check out those videos down here. I have a video of how to get into digital art, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss a single Enderman classic. That's all I got for you guys today. This is Enderman from Enderman Arts, signing off.